Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto Bitcoin. For today, before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Guaranteed profits for you in every single market, bearish or bullish. Try it out and you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go right now to see BTC against USDT chart. Right here, we had a statement going on yesterday with the weekly close. We closed below the 200 moving average. Now, is this bearish? Not at all. But for the next few days, it might be bearish until the end of July. What I mean by that is that this was a statement that we are not ready yet to move even higher, and Bitcoin will probably correct further down. Now, what is the case in the lower time frames? Where can we go? Let's go to the 4-hour frame. You can see right here that I'm expecting BTC to go touch the 21.7k. We have touched it almost, but I'm expecting Bitcoin to go all the way down to the 21.7k, 21.6k, and so on into the previous lows of here. Okay, so you can see right here we are having a huge support line which were the previous highs. Okay, we had the previous highs back on 8 July, back on 25 June, and back on 17 July. These are huge levels of support. If we lose them, then that means Bitcoin can go all the way down to the 20k. Yeah, that's right. If we lose this support level right here, the 21.6, 21.5, 21.7, okay, around this area, then we are going to absolutely go further down. This is bad. Okay, this is very bad. I know that most of you wouldn't like that, but it is the truth. I have to tell you always the truth. Right there, we get rejected from the 50-day EMA quite a couple of times, right? You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are getting further down. So that means for me personally that Bitcoin is capable of going even further down, but first we need to hold it, and then it will be the moment of truth. Can Bitcoin maintain this support level right here, or will we eventually go further down? Can Bitcoin move sideways right here and have another buying pressure, or is this the end and we are going to meet the 20k and even further below support lines? Let's see some very important support levels for BTC. I'm going to draw the fib from the bottom to the top right here, and you can see that we are having the 21.7k, 21.5 around this area. This is a huge support level area. Now we are holding the 20-day EMA. Okay, but I do not think that this is a huge support level right where we are right now. I will actually have one more line towards the 20.8k. This is another huge support level that it will play out if we close below the 21.7 and 21.4k. In the 4-hour frame, if we go to the Bitcoin, you can see that BTC is not looking so strong. What I mean by that is that the RSI can go further down into the below 30s right here. We do not have a huge oversold situation or something like that. Nothing can hold us from testing the 21.6k. I think so, in my personal humble opinion. I think that we are going to retest the 21.7 to 21.6k. You can see the low rate here was at the 21.7. It was a nice retest. However, we are going to meet these lines few more times. So I think that we are going further down, but it is a huge retest right now that it is going to happen, and it will give us a bigger picture for BTC, what BTC can do, what BTC is capable of doing. I will be honest with you, I think that the most probable scenario right now for BTC is to correct more. What I mean by that is, I think that BTC is going to retest for sure the 21.6k and maybe even losing them and go further down into the 20.8k. Seeing the weekly close below the 200 moving average actually helped me a little bit of skeptical, a little bit of cautious into going long with long positions for BTC. Anyway, now the fact that we are holding right here the 21.7k is good. However, the price analysis and the technical analysis does not let me be so happy, because right here I would assume that BTC can go even further down and can lose the support line even in the next few hours by the time you watch the video. Even in the next few hours, we might be able to go down right here. We will see about that though. Okay, but over the next few days, it is very critical to see if we can hold the previous highs back for BTC. If we cannot do that, then expect a huge correction, maybe a crash coming in for BTC. Okay, if we lose these levels right here, nothing will be stopping us from going even further down. Anyway, we are holding our breaths right now as we are approaching huge support levels. I'm personally quite pessimistic about holding these levels, but we are going to wait and see. In the meantime, please avoid going into long positions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and do not forget to join our monthly subscription to take profits even on bearish markets. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.